Okay, continue.
Take off.
Sensor, huh? Detector.
It won't let me go any farther. See how close I can get to the tree.
Yeah? You have 4 sensor, right?
Okay, I heard you.
Okay. Oh, it's like a fly.
Do your kids see us already?
But he's still afraid.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's still afraid crafty for lot of land. People say some say no land, but it's right here. See a plenty.
Neat little toy though, huh?
Yep, like a toy.
But if you can, this is essential, I think.
Yeah,
No one has to be out of the picture anymore.
yeah,
Yeah.
correct.
It's like, oh. Like a hornet.
Correct.
Are you still streaming?
Yeah, you can go to see.
It did say. What's the name of your phone?
Huh? No, you can. You don't need to go
I
there.
looked at the notice, but it wasn't there yet.
Right there. See?
Yeah.
Now you record your name. Stream.
We already got people talking to you.
Oh really?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you got-
I'm streaming. This time let's try. I try again to see.
Randy goes, hey, what do you guys? She's like, oh, that's that.
Huh?
They're over there near the empty field.
Empty field now, huh?
Looks like the field over this way. Oh shit. You could
I heard a sound right there, caller. Look.
You know, I took this on the 4th of July
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
I brought it at the same level as the fireworks.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Huh?
I said,
Yeah.
"Hey, they got a pool."
Yeah, they do. Little bit. Further, 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 further. Yep. Oh, I get normal speed. Now I go high speed. Move. Go. Ooh, now move. Did I go somewhere?
Yeah. This is forward and backwards.
No, this one. It will allow me soon. C1.
Dive bomb those people on the golf course.
So it's like you, huh?
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah.
Oh, actually delay a little bit. Delay.
That's pretty
Yeah,
good.
That's not very good. Now home to see. Home.
Home.
Let's see what it does.
Yeah.
Teach me.
Oh, okay. Back there. I think it's yeah. Chopping like bomb. Ooh, look at oh the bird. Come on. So you can see your actually it's not too bad. That's actually you're better, huh? You're better after we caught.
There's a lot of smoke today, huh?
Yeah.
I got ashes on the car.
Uh-huh.
Is that from the fires probably, huh?
Wow, that's very cool. Suddenly today we learn live stream, huh?
Yes.
Low battery warning.
Okay, no problem. We home. Okay, we home. Reside home. You set up how much? 30 meter home? I set up 30 meter. I think 20 or 30 meter home. Yeah.
Let's see where it's at.
Still don't know where is it. Still don't hurt. Okay.
And when you get back to your yeah, that'll take.
Oh, download. It's download your right?
It will. It will. Yeah.
Okay, say hello. Now a little bit more. Then see us. Say hello. Who is it? A bit more.
I don't know.
You don't know.
The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
10 seconds. No. 10 seconds. Wow. Okay, now how can I go back to stream? Oh, where is it? Go back again. Facebook Live. Now stop.